Have you ever been on a team where everyone's busy, but nothing actually gets done? Nobody knows who's doing what. Deadlines get missed. People are confused. That's not a talent problem. That's a directing problem. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what directing in management means and how great leaders use it to get real results. What is directing? Directing is one of the 5 functions of management, right alongside planning, organizing, staffing, and controlling. In simple words, directing is how a manager gets people to work toward a goal. It's not about bossing people around. It's about 3 things. 1, giving clear instructions. 2, motivating your team to perform their best. 3, guiding them when they get stuck. Think of a director on a film set. The actors know their lines, but the director tells them when to move, how to feel, and why the scene matters. That's exactly what a manager does. Key elements of directing. Directing has 4 key elements. Let's break them down fast. 1. Leadership. A manager must lead by example. Your team watches what you do, not just what you say. If you're disciplined and focused, your team will be too. 2. Communication. Clear, simple, two-way communication. It's not just giving orders, it's listening, explaining, and making sure everyone is on the same page. 3. Motivation. People work harder when they feel valued. A good manager recognizes effort, sets meaningful goals, and creates a workplace where people want to show up. 4. Supervision. This doesn't mean micromanaging. It means checking in, removing roadblocks, and making sure the work is moving in the right direction. Real-world example. Imagine a sales team missing its monthly target. A weak manager says, "Try harder." A manager who understands directing? They sit with the team, find out what's blocking them, give clear daily targets, celebrate small wins, and check in every morning for 5 minutes. Same team, same talent. Completely different result, just because of how they were directed. Why directing matters. Without direction, even the best plan fails. You could have the right people, the right resources, and the right strategy. But if no one is guiding the team day to day, it all falls apart. Directing is the bridge between planning on paper and results in real life. Great managers aren't great because they plan better. They're great because they execute better. And execution is all about directing. So, to summarize, directing is how managers turn plans into action. Lead clearly, communicate openly, motivate genuinely, and supervise smartly. Now, if you're wondering, but how do I even build the right team to direct? That's where staffing comes in. I've already made a full video on staffing and management. It's right there. Go watch it next, because staffing and directing go hand in hand. You can't direct a team you haven't built. If you want to read it in detail or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.